To access your profile and settings information, select your avatar or profile icon. The Profile and Settings page will appear. You can determine how you want your calls to be handled within the Call Manager settings. Under Account Settings in the Profile and Settings screen, you can change your password. Tap Password. Enter your current password first, then input your desired password twice for confirmation. Select Confirm when finished to change your password. Under Calls, you can choose your ringtone and determine where you make your calls from. You can either have your calls made from the Midco Softphone mobile app, your cell phone carrier, or My Phones. You also have the option to Always Ask. This will prompt the app to ask you prior to making a call how you want the call to proceed. To make calls using Wi-Fi only, select this toggle. This enables you to make calls in instances where your cell reception might be down, but you have access to the internet. You can manage your chat settings under the Chat section. To receive a notification sound when a new chat appears, enable Play Tone for new chats. To confirm when you leave or delete a chat conversation, enable Confirm Leave Conversation and/or Confirm Delete Conversation. Under Contacts, you can configure the way your contacts are displayed. You can show all contacts or only contacts with numbers.